Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Today, they can share my video. Remember, rate subscribe. Now, share. No me notification bell. So that when the video be up to one sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And if you say be oat porridge for breakfast, the Ghana style. Ubetimi aye for weight loss. Yes, start. Odi 1 cup oat ebegu adie mu. Uwie na di tu kakra ye de egu mu. We just siwo for 5 minutes. Wodi ensuo agu saucepan ubeka wo mu. Na wodi asija so amana hu. Se ensuo ni hu pe na otu na wodi si wo na kohwe de egu mu na waka. Ubenu musa ase de enya ba. Se wo kan na hwese mu aye thick mebra obetimi de nsu kakra ye de egu mu na wakoso ye de aka. What the salt kakra ye de aka ho. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Now the sugar and our honey egum. No one mixing it together. Aha no aye ready na watwe na wakosebe. If much as ndị dịka hwehwe me video a mema rem subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa notification bell no say me the video bia beto a wonsa beka wo de omuka eden aka ho wo fruit abetimi de aka won ede edi say won penso a won fa ede enka ho ti we mi su strawberry even na me taste yen it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our healthy oatmeal recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.